Hey, what's up, y'all? Back with another video, and today we have these easy, cheesy cheddar scallop potatoes, y'all. Y'all know I'll show you step by step how to get it. So if you're into it, y'all, sit back, let's go. Alright, y'all, so first I am just going to use my peeler to peel about 6 small or medium-sized white potatoes. Then after that, I'm just going to place them on my mandolin and just basically slice them all down to a 1/4 of an inch thick. And I like the mandolin because it just makes everything nice and uniform, and it's really easy. I don't have to worry about stuff cooking unevenly, and everything will be the exact same size. And definitely use a mandolin if you have it, y'all. So as you see, I just put that in some water, the potatoes in some water, just to let it sit for a little bit, let some of the starch come out. And now, y'all, as you see, I am just going in with 2 pounds of cheese. I'm using extra sharp cheese as well as Munster cheese. I like the combination just to give it some real creaminess as well as that sharpness that I love from cheddar, y'all. So onto the cream sauce, y'all. I am starting off with some butter, about 3 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going in with about it was a lot of garlic, like 6 cloves of garlic minced up. And then you just want to get that all nice and melty in your little saucepan. So now I'm going in with about 3 tablespoons of flour, and I'm just sprinkling that in there into the butter and garlic and stirring it at the exact same time, just to make sure that there are no little clumps in there, and making sure I'm just getting all the clumps out as I go. Just beating it up a little bit because it does take about a minute or so just to really add the flour and just make sure everything's all incorporated in there. And I have my heat on about medium heat right here, about medium high heat right here, because you really want to cook off that raw taste in the flour, y'all. So after about a minute and a half, I'm going in with my milk. So I used about 2 cups of milk and about a half a cup of heavy cream, just to give it a little bit more richness. And I use the milk because this is going to be a really cheesy sauce, and I wanted to cut out some of that richness, so I just use plain old milk, y'all. And now I'm going in with all of that cheese, save about 3/4 of a cup for the top of the scalloped potatoes, y'all. Then I'm just going to melt that all together, y'all, for about a couple of minutes, about 3 to 4 to 5 minutes. And after that, that is what that cheese sauce is looking like. And it's really perfect like that, but I really want to flavor it up some more. So I'm going with some Tony Chachere's, some paprika for color, some black pepper, as well as some onion powder to really set it off. Y'all know I don't use onion powder that much, but I really want to just set it off with that onion powder, y'all. So after everything's all nice and combined, that is what it's looking like. And I'm just going to set that to the side for a second. So back to the potatoes that I drained. I'm going in with some Tony Chachere's again, pepper, and a little small pinch of salt, y'all, because you want to flavor these potatoes up before you put them in the casserole dish, y'all. So now we are about to build these scalloped potatoes, these cheesy cheddar scalloped potatoes. So I am first going in with a couple of heaping spoonfuls of that cheddar sauce, and I'm just spreading it all throughout the bottom. This is just so that none of the potatoes will stick to the bottom, y'all. Now I'm going in with a little layer of the potatoes, y'all, and after that I'm just going to alternate. So I'm going to go with the sauce, then I'm going to go with another layer of potatoes, y'all. And you want to do this so you can have about, I would say, about 5 to 6 of those layers of the potatoes, and then the cheese sauce, y'all. About 5 to 6 is, pretty good. So, y'all, we are now finally finished with layering these potatoes with that cheddar and Munster cheese sauce, y'all. And it is really just looking good already, and it is looking like the scalloped potatoes you want to be eating, y'all. So now I'm just sprinkling on that last little bit of cheese that I had reserved on the top of these potatoes, y'all. And after that, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika for color on the top and place it in my oven. So I cooked this for about 30 to 40 minutes uncovered in the oven, y'all. And the potatoes were perfect. They still had a nice little bite to them. But if you prefer your potatoes to be a little bit softer, then you can definitely just cover it with foil and let it cook for most of the time like that, and then take the foil off for like the last 10 minutes. Yeah, y'all, these cheddar scalloped potatoes were scalloping, y'all. I don't even know what to say. These things turned out so perfect, y'all. Y'all know I had to add my parsley up on the top just for some greenery and some color, y'all. But I know y'all want to see that money shot. So boom, here it is. these scalloped potatoes, y'all, just really brought me all the way back to elementary school. I don't know about y'all, but in elementary school, we used to have scalloped potatoes. I don't know what they used to serve it with, but I really didn't even care, honestly. As long as we had scalloped potatoes, I was good, y'all. So this is what everything is looking like. Another little close-up so y'all can see this cheesy cheddar and muenster sauce just did its thing, y'all. And y'all, these scalloped potatoes are like the perfect side dish to go with any kind of meal that you're whipping up during the week, y'all. Some baked chicken, some roast beef, whatever you have, y'all. These scalloped potatoes are really, really perfect and will set your meal off. So, y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to. And with that, y'all, I will see you in the next video. Later.